How to get dual-headed blade on Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this detailed video tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of obtaining the dual-headed blade in the popular game Blox Fruits. So acquiring this powerful weapon is a straightforward task that simply requires purchasing it from a specific non-player character, NPC. To begin, you must journey to the fourth island of the skylines located in the first sea. Upon reaching the fourth island, seek out the Master Sword dealer, who can be easily identified on your screen. Interact with the dealer, who caters to players within the level range of 150 to 199, and the dealer offers two formidable swords for the purchase. The dual-headed blade, which is the primary focus of this tutorial, priced at 400,000 in-game currency, and the Vicento available for the million in-game currency. For those solely interested in acquiring the dual-headed blade, the cost stands at 400,000, opting for both swords, which will set you back, and 400 instead. Once you secure the dual-headed blade, it becomes a permanent addition to your arsenal, boosting a unique moveset comprising Assassinate and Dragging Wind, requiring 20 and 100 mastery respectively. These versatile moves can be utilized for various purposes, such as grinding or player versus environment PvE content. Although the dual-headed blade may not be considered as a top-tier weapon in the game's meta, it remains a valuable asset for the collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether you aim to enhance your combat capabilities or expand your collection, acquiring this sword is a commendable choice. I trust that this comprehensive guide has assisted you in purchasing the dual-headed blade in Blox Fruits. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.